There is a box turtle in the road, so we have to move you. Hello, friend. Good morning. Happy Section 5 day of the Sheltowee. It's the end of May, and we are... Oh, this is the sketchy bridge. Do you want me to go first?
I was like, the metal's probably fine.
Yeah? Suspicious. What? Oh, lovely. This is so overgrown. We're gonna have so many ticks. Oh, I have bug spray. Anyway, so the original plan was 118 to 150. At 150, there is S Tree Campground, and so we were gonna leave a car there and then camp overnight, keep hiking. However, there was a tree down in the road, so we could not leave a car there. We could not get there. And this trail is very overgrown right here. So we pivoted. We have a car at Little Tree Lodge. We called the owner like kind of late last night, and she was like, yeah, you can park there, no problem. So we're parked there, and then we just left a car at the Dunaway House. Again, the woman who lives there is super, super nice. Was like, yeah, you can definitely leave a car here. And now we are just gonna hike like 20 miles today and go home. First river crossing, and I slipped on a rock and both my feet are wet now. Woo-hoo. Like a quarter mile in. Did you make it okay? Your feet dry still?
I think so, yeah.
Oh God!
You could put that in there.
I can do that. So, thus far, we've seen 2 turtles and a salamander. Very wildlife heavy day today, considering we've only been hiking for like 30 minutes. And we have realized that our decision to not bring our trekking poles today was a mistake, because the ground is super soft and slippery, and there's a lot of uphills. And Becca's a little bit more stable than I am, but I keep falling. Good time. Yeah, I keep worrying that they're gonna like charge us.
The male might. I don't think the females do.
We're road walking, and we're being chased by a turkey. It was we thought it was actually gonna charge us there for a second.
This is the second time we've been chased by a fowl.
Yeah.
You realize that?
You know, some people say they have problems with the dogs on the Sheltowee. We've only met nice dogs on the Sheltowee, but the birds keep chasing us. And I don't love it. That one's still on the road. And it's so big you can like see it in that, like all the way back there.
It's big, Jake.
It's insane. So it is muddy and slippery. I have fully fallen on my ass twice. The first time I caught myself badly. And now my wrist hurts. But we think it's just a sprain because it doesn't hurt that bad. And I just fell over here on the switchback, but this is not. And now I'm muddy. Good times, good times. We just stopped to filter water, and I cleaned off my shorts, and now we are back hiking. We've done, what'd you say, 9 miles so far today?
9.8.
9.8 so far today. Pretty good, making good time. Feeling good, feeling strong. Still going. All right. We are here at Resurgence Cave, which is behind me. We just crossed this water and we're stopping for a little lunch break. We've done just over 12 miles and doing pretty good today. Yeah. Crushing it. Becca's got Uncrustables. I have Uncrustables.
You have Uncrustables.
Everybody have an Uncrustable. And the breeze out of this cave, lovely. There comes a point every single time we do one of these super long days, because we're dumb, where we're like, why do we do this to ourselves? And we do it to ourselves a lot. We're like, oh yeah, that's not that far. It's fine. And then about this point, we're like, wow, we make terrible choices. Why do we do this to ourselves? We're at that point. Morale is low. We're really excited because we're gonna go to Chipotle after this.
And chocolate.
Alright, we made it. Yay.
Sweet release.
Because we did over 20 miles today, that is all we are doing for this section. Bye.